Welcome to today's lesson. And today we are going to talk about vegetables. We have been learning different food commodities. We have learned meat and meat products. We have learned cereals, pulses, and so today it's vegetables. As you can see from the screen that I've shared various graphics. As you can see various graphics of vegetables. Now let us go to our second presentation. And in our second presentation, we are going to talk about, in culinary terms, a vegetable is an edible plant or its part intended for cooking or eating raw. So you can eat vegetables when they are raw, or you can cook them, and they are consumed as a salad when raw, or cooked in savory dishes or salty dishes. So vegetables are classified according to the part of the plant they belong. So one of us is going to take us through the vegetables that are above the ground. The other person, someone else, will take us through the below ground. So from my list, Caroline, take us through the vegetables that are above the ground.
Okay, thank you. So the vegetables above the ground, we have the fruits and seeds, we have flower bud, we have leaves, we have stems and shoots, and we have podded seeds.
Thank you, Caroline. Daniel, take us through the below the ground.
Okay, thank you. On the below the ground, we have three of them which are roots, tubers, and bulbs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that, all of you. We now go to the next presentation. As you can see, there is an infographic of vegetables that are presented there. So when you look, this is a classification of all vegetables, but we are going to focus more on root vegetables. And example, you are able to see from that graphic, you can see the carrot, you can see the beetroot, you can see the parsnips, and all that. So we now go to the next presentation. That is carrots. So carrots, they are grown in numerous varieties, sizes, and they are extensively used for soups, sauces, stocks, stews, salad, and as a vegetable. So that is the carrot. You can see a picture of how carrot looks like. We now go to the next presentation. So our next presentation is the beetroot. There are two main types of beetroot, that is round and long, and they are also used for soups, salads, and as a vegetable. So as you can see, there's pictures of root vegetables there. We now go to the next vegetable, the next root vegetable. That is the cerealic. A cerealic, it is a large, light brown celery flavored root, and it is used in soups, salad, and as a vegetable. And remember, as we say, as a vegetable, what we really mean, it can be served as a course on its own, because vegetable, they are under main course. And then salads and soups, they are served as a starter course. We now go to the next presentation, or the next root vegetable. The next root vegetable, it is a molly, and it is a long, white, thick member of a radish family, and it is used for soups, salad, or as a vegetable. Then we have the next vegetable. That is the next vegetable is parsnips, and it is a long white root tampering to a plant. It has a unique nut-like flavor, and it is used in soups added to caesa. That is a casseroles. It is added to casseroles, which are casserole. It is a type of a stew. These are stews that are stewed in the oven, and also it is used as a vegetable. It can either be roasted, pureed, or etc. So when you look on this vegetable as we are continuing learning, you see these vegetables, they are mostly used in soups, as a salads, and also as a course on their own. I hope we are together. You can confirm if you are in class.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you in class, all of you?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let us continue. We now go to the next vegetable. That is a radish. Radish, it is our next. I'm having a challenge with the screen. Yeah, so you can all see the radish. So these are small summer variety, round or oval, and they are served with dips and in salad or as a vegetable in a white or in cheese sauce. So they are used to accompany the cheese sauce or the white sauces. We go to the next vegetable. The next vegetable, which is my screen is taking a little of time to share. Our next vegetable, root vegetable, is salsify, and salsify. Someone has unmuted. Okay, thank you. Kindly make sure your microphone is muted and your video. So we have salsify, also called oysters plant, because of the similarity of a taste, a long narrow root, and used in soup, salad, and as a vegetable. The other type of vegetable, the next vegetable, it is the sconzonera. The sconzonera, it is another type of vegetable. And this is a long narrow root, slightly astringent in flavor, and is used in soups, salad, and as a vegetable. We now go to the other type of root vegetable. That is a swede. Swede, it's another type of vegetable, and it is a large root with a yellow flesh, and generally used as a vegetable. It is a mashed, parboiled, and roasted, and may be added to stews. So you can add it to stews. As you can see, inside it is yellow, and also outside it has some parts which are yellow. Then we have the last type of vegetable. That is the turnip. Turnip, it is another type of vegetable, and there are two main varieties. We have the long, round, and they are used in soup, stews, and as a vegetable. So as you can observe, when you look at it, it looks like the swede, but they have different in colors, and also in the turnip, it is white in color. So that's all about the root vegetables, and that's all about our lesson today. So maybe if anyone has a question or input. So let me hear your input.
Okay, thank you. You can can say that the lesson was good and we have learned a lot of today. Thank you for taking your time to train us. Thank you.
You're welcome, Daniel. It's encouraging to hear you have learned and the lesson was interesting. Maybe we can hear a comment from Caroline. Caroline, are you in class?
I am in class.
Okay, give us feedback.
Okay, everything was well explained and well understood. And thank you for the time.
Okay, you are most welcome. Thank you as well for listening and being patient in the lesson and also participating. So I'm going to give you an assignment. Go and research on you research and make notes on leafy vegetables and also tuber vegetables. So you guys, you just have a nice evening and thank you so much.
You too.